MARK stock Thursday. Am I buying or selling on Remark holding stock in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months? The crazy thing is that till yesterday, like we were up like crazy, and the price went up how much? It was pretty much up around 264%. That's how it closed, and today it's 48% down. I mean that's fine because I've also seen a lot of pump and dumps like this. Why I have this line pointing down is purely just because I'm following my strategy and system that I've done over the last 15,000 plus videos on my YouTube channel. Like literally, I have nothing to sell you, and I have far more experience than all the people that are talking all this technical analysis stuff on YouTube, right? So here's the thing: I've documented everything too. So I have just a little line pointing down. My rules are not being met right now whatsoever. It really will just depend how we close for the week. Is this going to be the supply area or anything else? So yeah, really just my 2 cents. Still expecting that the price, like maybe it will take a little bit time where we consolidate right here. Maybe when even still go for the highs, but at the end of the day, I still expect that near this is the lows that I'm expecting the price to clear because it's pretty bearish trend, man. This is the first argument. I have nothing to sell you. I'm just following my strategy system that I've done previously. If you want to learn my strategy, check out the first link below.